I'd like you to open up Microsoft Office Access 2007 now. For me, I've created a desktop shortcut to open the program. So I'm going to double-click on my program shortcut, and I'm going to see the Getting Started screen. You're going to see this screen every time you open up Access 2007. So it's a good time for us to explore the different areas of this screen. In the upper left corner, you're going to see what's called the Microsoft Office button. This button and the controls next to it, this is called the Quick Access Toolbar. Later in this lesson, we're going to discuss both of these features, but for now, I'd just like you to understand that these two elements are interrelated in terms of the commands that you'll see all throughout Access. Beneath the Microsoft Office button is Template Categories. If you click on Featuring, the left side of the screen doesn't change, but what you'll see in the middle of the screen is a whole bunch of featured online templates from Microsoft. I'm going to cover these in just a second here. If I click on Local Templates, you'll see that the middle of the screen changed. Local templates are databases that are saved on your local hard drive. Now, this screen may not show them all depending upon how you installed Access. If you did not select to install all of the local templates, you might not see everything here. But I have installed all of the templates so you can see them all. From Microsoft Office Online is Business. So click on Business, and you'll notice the templates change. These are categorized by business, and all of these are templates that are found on Microsoft's site that you can download. For instance, you can see Assets, Business Account Ledger, Contacts, Customer Service, quite a few here, all related around a particular business topic. If you click Education on the left, right now you just see two, Faculty and Students. These two database templates could be used by students and teachers inside an administrative facility of a school. If you click Personal, as of right now we have 5 templates, Contacts, Home Inventory, Lending Library, Nutrition, and Personal Account Ledger. You can use these particular templates for your own personal use at home. Next, click Sample, and you only see one, Northwind 2007. If you've worked with previous versions of Access, the word Northwind should sound very familiar. This particular version, Northwind 2007, has seen a lot of changes to that particular database. If you've worked with it before and thought it was a little bit too simplistic, I encourage you to open this database and take a look around because Microsoft has really changed this one up in this version. Click back to Featuring, and you'll notice at the upper left corner of the middle of the screen here under Getting Started, you'll see a button that says New Blank Database. Anytime you need to create a new blank database in Access 2007, this is your starting point, and we'll start that in just a minute. Beneath Blank, as you've learned previously, you see all these featured online templates. At the bottom of the Getting Started screen, you'll see some links to Microsoft Office Online. Right now, we have a link to show you what's new in Access 2007. Over here, we have Training, Templates, and Downloads. If you click any of these links, you'll be taken to Microsoft Office Online site where you can download additional templates, you can find some training resources. Beneath here, there's 3 more links. All of these are information that you can use to get a jump start on using Access 2007. The links that you see here might be a little bit different than what you're seeing on the screen right now. And this is because Microsoft is actually going to be updating this information from time to time. So if you come back in a week, you might see a different link or two or some different ones. Right at the very bottom of the Getting Started screen, you'll see a Learn More link, and you can learn how to automatically have this updated. The default is to have this automatically updated. On the far right of the Getting Started screen is the Open Recent Database Task pane. If you click More, you'll see the Windows Open dialog box, and here you can open up a previously saved Access database. Once the Windows Open dialog box comes on your screen, you can browse to another folder anywhere on your desktop. For example, I'm going to double-click on Part 1, Lesson 1, and I can open up any of these 3 databases in the Lesson 1 folder. In the Files of Type text box, you'll see a list of all the particular database file extensions that Access 2007 can open. You see the ACCDB, MDB file format, quite a few database formats that Access 2007 can recognize from previous versions. You can either type in the file name that you like, or highlight it, click the Open button to open, or you can just double-click on the file and Access 2007 opens the database. Once it's open, the Getting Started screen disappears, and then you can begin to work within the Access 2007 interface.